today we're making a Hello Kitty Star Wars and shit about the Hello Kitty and her and you fast it and you get numbers because I get the numbers and what should I get? It is that one. What should I get?
Don't press this button.
Okay. Don't press this button.
Don't press this button. Don't. Okay. If it's up, don't press this button. Otherwise, he'll,
Should I press this button?
Yeah, you can press that button, but not that button.
Hey, don't press that.
Don't.
No, I'm not gonna press it.
Okay, just leave it down.
Okay. When I was gonna get, it was a 3 because I got a 3 because Hello Kitty, yes, because I forgot my bag because there's nothing. And don't press this button. I was a zombie. Get it? Because put it down. Put it down, sorry. He's not put it down.
Put it down, sorry. Come on, give me that. Why? I already showed her. Okay, just give it to her. Just give it to her. She's little. Here you go.
And this is Siri. Here you go. And this is Yana.
Thank you.
This is Yana and Siri.
Is this mine? Oh, this is mine.
And this is Siri's glasses and Yana's hair. Here you go. and I taught the stories. Once upon a time, there was a little button, and you press this button, and Siri was a guest, and don't press this button, and I was get out the Star Wars, and you press this button, say count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
That's
8,
enough.
9, 10.
1, 2, 3, go. And you press this button and go in the top and don't press this button. And this is Hello Kitty's circles the hair and the top and should I press that?
Yeah.
Only if this is down. Okay.
Don't.
Okay, Olivia? Okay.
Don't.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Is it finished? Is the video finished?
No, not yet. And thanks for watching my video. Super girls and watch my video. Thumbs up and leave your comments down below. And thanks for watching. Bye.